Have you ever heard some news that was so surprising it took your breath away? Maybe it was amazing news, like a friend getting a dream job. Or maybe it was shocking news, like an unexpected problem. When this happens, do you only say, "I'm surprised"? The word surprised is a good word, but it's very general. It doesn't always capture the full emotion. You want to show that you are not just surprised, but completely shocked and amazed. Have you ever been so surprised by something that surprise just didn't feel like enough? Chapter 1. A word for a deeper kind of shock. When native speakers are truly shocked or amazed, they often say, "I'm floored." The word floor means the bottom of a room. So to be floored is like being so shocked that you fall to the floor. It's a fun way to exaggerate how you feel. This phrase is used for both good and bad news. It shows that the news was so big you were completely taken by it. It's a lot like saying, "I can't believe it." Chapter 2. How to use "I'm floored." Let's practice this useful expression with a few examples. Imagine a friend suddenly tells you they are getting married. You can say, "You're getting married? I'm absolutely floored. That's incredible." Or, you hear you won the lottery. You can say, "When I heard I won the lottery, I was completely floored." You can also use this in a short conversation. For example, friend A, "Guess what? I got the promotion." You, "Wow, I'm floored. I didn't see that coming." You can also use other words that mean something similar, like "I'm shocked" or "I'm stunned." But floored has a special feeling of being completely knocked over by the news. Practice this phrase on your own. The next time something unexpected happens, say to yourself, "I'm floored." Chapter 3. The power of deeper emotions. Learning a language is not just about knowing words. It's about being able to share the depth of your feelings. Using a phrase like "I'm floored" helps you express your emotions in a more honest and natural way. Don't just be surprised. Learn to express the full impact of your feelings. This simple phrase is a powerful way to show others exactly how you feel. Think about the last time you were truly shocked by something. How would you have described it using this new phrase?